Hello and welcome to the Pound Trader. I will be sharing with you my weekly forecast on the GBPUSD. All right, so starting from the monthly, I can see that the pound has been going down. Right now, I believe it's correcting, so I do believe it might reach this trend line or even break above and continue going up because the DXY is also going down. All right, so let's go to the weekly. All right, so the weekly, we could see here, sorry for the lines. You can see here that on the weekly, we were in a range over here. So I drew this little box. I don't really like how this candle didn't close above this range. It's giving me sort of hints like, we might start going down, but it also did break above. So that's just something to note. Right now, I am looking for buys. But, because it didn't really close properly above here, it's a bit of a 50-50. It might either go down here or up here. So it's just up to us and our patience. All right, now let's go to the daily. The daily, we do see that the range is pretty clear over here, and we did have a break above. It went up again, but it almost didn't have enough strength to continue going up. So it did come down again. It didn't really break down here. It's a strong bearish candle, but it still didn't break below here. So let's move over to the 4-hour and see. All right, and the 4-hour, let me just remove these session breaks. I used them on the 1-hour. The 4-hour, we can clearly see that this is an uptrend. So I would probably be looking for buys going up here, but because of the monthly and the weekly, I will still be ready to just see if, it might go up and then start going down, right? Now let's start going into the 1-hour. Here we are. All right, so on the 1-hour, this was a strong bearish move down, and we can see here it started giving us a little bit of a rejection. So I don't know, if I'm looking for buys, I would like to see it go, let's draw fib levels first. So yeah, we can see this level here is at the 38.2 fib level, which is not so bad. We can also see it lines up with a zone here at the 61.8. So if I was looking for a buy, I would probably want it to go up to one of these levels and give a retracement and a bearish candle. But if not, if we're going for the sells, then maybe, it might correct above and maybe reject and give some bearish candles around here or here, or even at the 38.2. So, we'll have to monitor and see what happens. Here it's just patience, because if we look at the DXY, so that's the weekly, the DXY was going up, but you can see it didn't have enough strength. So there's a high probability that the DXY is going down. Remember, the GBPUSD moves in the opposite direction, right? So if we go to the daily on the DXY, on the US dollar currency basket, we can see here also the double rejection. It might go up, to a 50% or maybe down here. But I'm not convinced. Sometimes when the DXY wants to break something, it might just, do a little bit of a retracement and go down. Yeah. So this is something that we'll have to be really careful and just be patient, because right now, trying to predict the market in such a circumstance is a bit tricky. Yeah. You can see here the DXY almost looks like it's continuing to move up or even give a rejection. This is a bit tricky. Yeah. Yeah, this is a bit tricky. So in case the DXY, you can see it was a pin bar over here. In case it goes down, then we will be looking for buys, as I said, on the GBPUSD. And let's look at the news forecast. So I am in Kenya, East Africa. So I have set my time to EAT, East African time. And we can see here on Monday, we do have some dollar news, the Empire State Manufacturing Index. I've filtered my news events to red to just give me, I want the high volatility news. We can see here on Tuesday, If you're in Kenya, we have some GBP news at 9 a.m., some Canadian on Wednesday, we have 9 a.m., GBP. All right, on Thursday, we have the NZD, we have USD as well. So lots of news. We have Euro, we have GBPUSD, flash manufacturing services there, yeah, as well as the USD as well. So these are the news to keep note of. So yeah, we will just see what happens because, you know, it's always good to be careful, but I would be leaning on the buy side. Even though I don't like what's happening here on the daily, I would still be leaning towards the buys. Unless this trend line breaks and goes down, then maybe I would look for it to probably go down to the 50% or even down here and then go up again, because who knows, it might just continue ranging and ranging and ranging, because this is a very, very strong level as you've seen on the monthly. So yeah, that's it for my view. I might be wrong. Share your comments, share your opinions. I am learning together with you guys. Please subscribe. Please support your girl on this channel. I'm just trying to trade and, you know, hopefully educate others as well and learn in the process. So I hope you enjoyed the video. The Pound Trader, please subscribe. I am on the road to 100 subscribers. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.